Welcome to Harvey Co. Let us show you around on what we have got to offer. Our first port of call is Sipakazi, our receptionist, who is probably the person that will put you in touch with the various people that will look after you or to tell you about the different services we offer. Downstairs we have two boardrooms where we meet clients and discuss clients' proposals or investment decisions that we're going to take on their behalf, and we utilize these to be able to put together plans. We then are moving along towards the investment team, consisting of 4 administrators and 4 client advisors who would help discuss various things such as policies, investments, both local and offshore, and the administrators would put together what we call our financial plan. My job obviously is to make sure that our staff are competent and up to scratch and to be able to deliver the services that we would expect from Harvey Co, bearing in mind that the number of different services that we do offer are quite unique, ranging from investments to short-term insurance, accounting, medical aids, income taxes, and a number of other ones. Short-term insurance that we look after our clients both from a personal point of view and from a commercial point of view, seeing to different policies with the different companies. Being independent, we have contracts with a number of different companies, and we also see to all our clients' claims as well. Let me take you upstairs, where we're going to show you around upstairs, where we have another 2 boardrooms, and these boardrooms are utilized for not only for when we see clients, but also we see a number of fund managers, stockbrokers, both locally and from offshore, and we utilize the boardrooms for client seminars, and we'll also utilize the boardrooms for when we have a problem with a client and we want to have a group discussion where we bring in independent people such as accountants or lawyers to discuss matters in terms of trying to come up with a solution for our clients. But the boardrooms are utilized on a regular basis, add a lot of value for us in being able to sit down and discuss clients' portfolios. Upstairs we have a number of other different services. We see to registering of companies and trusts and a lot of statutory requirements that are needed in terms of running those companies and trusts, change of trustees and change of directors. We do a lot of FICA and compliance that is done out of our office. We have a medical aid group of people look after our clients' medical aid, deceased estates and wills, and then accounting division that does a lot of accounts, both management accounts, VAT returns for both trusts and CCs and PTYs. And then we have a group of ladies that look after the banking for all our clients, where that we see to a number of different banking services. Our last department is our tax department, which sees to submission of provisional tax returns and the tax returns, making sure that we meet all deadlines. Heading up both the tax and accounting departments is Renee Williams, our accountant who's been with us for over 12 odd years and sees to everything. I hope that you will now have a better idea of Harvey Co and give us a ring. We'd love to help you.